Welcome everyone to another tutorial from a Listen Every Day. Today's tutorial is going to be about website developing and so on and so forth. So if you are interested in learning how to upload a lot of files to your website, you are welcome to continue this tutorial with us. Sometimes you are working using an offline website builder, and then you have created a lot of images, a lot of files, and you need to upload them to your cPanel, your file manager, so that they can appear on your website. In this case, either you will either you will upload them one by one, and sometimes they are just too many thousand files. Okay, that's too much. Okay, in this case you will need Filezilla, and Filezilla you will need an FTP client, not a server. Don't mix between the server and the client. Okay, so what you need to do is to install Filezilla, and then go to your cPanel, find the FTP host. Okay, of course it's just your website plus FTP at the beginning, and then you have your username, the username of your cPanel, for instance, or the you create a username or a new username. If you are going to use a subdomain, link it to a new username. All you have to do is to go to FTP on your cPanel FTP, and then you create a new username with a password. Alright, and then you can connect it to a subdomain. Port is only 20, 21 or 22, and then you connect. Once you're connected, all you have to do is to come here, for instance, select the files that you want to upload to your website. Of course they will show in the file manager of your website. If they are in the wrong direction, all you have to do is to select all of them in the file manager, of course, and then of course in the file manager here, all you have to do is to come to the file manager, and then select all of them, and then delete or move or the whatever you want, especially if they are in the wrong direction. Right, so it's a good thing. I will leave the link to the to Filezilla in the description. Don't forget, you need to correct a username and so on and so forth, and then enjoy sharing, deleting, uploading the amount of files you desire. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please ask in comment